8:45 now. I need to actually finally get up. I have to be at work at 10:30 by the latest, so I need to leave here no later than 10. Good morning, mamas. Guys, I'm so tired. I just need to get out of the bed. That's all. Good morning. A little bit more alive now that I'm actually out of the bed. It's just a process to get me out of the bed. I work at Hooters today. Really not too excited about it. Honestly, never am. I did make really good money yesterday, but I was in the bar, so I'm hoping that I still make good money today, even though I will be on the floor. We were pretty slow, but our bar typically always does well, so I was really happy with the turnout, and I ended up staying by myself. It got a little bit hectic there at the end, my shift, but made it work because, you know. I'm not gonna wear my contacts today though, because I think my eyes are starting to like mess up again, and I really do not want my eye inflammatory thing coming back. So it's actually called uveitis, but I don't want it coming back, so I'm not gonna wear my glasses for a little bit until my eye stops being red. I put some earrings in, you guys, and I think they look so fucking cute. I cannot remember where they're actually from, but I love the like trio. That's my pretty simple like morning skincare routine, and I've been loving it. It's a pretty gloomy day, so that really didn't do much. Good morning, child. That is all I hear every single morning. That little child meowing at me until I feed her breakfast. We're already on a time crunch. Gotta real quickly do my makeup, and then I just gotta get dressed. Yesterday I did a really cute little like space bun hairdo, but since I did that yesterday, I don't think I'm gonna do the same exact thing today. I do want to do something to my hair that is no heat, just so that way I can try to just stop putting heat on my hair. This is just what it looks like. Super easy, super simple, and really quick. I finished that in under 15 minutes because I think it was like 9:04 when I started. Just gotta clean up my glasses, and then I can go ahead and get dressed. And that is definitely my least favorite part about getting ready for work, because I hate the uniform. Well, I don't hate the uniform, I just really hate the tights. Alrighty, goggles are on. They're so cute. And if you guys are wondering where these frames are from, they're from a website called Zinni Optical. These are like a small tortoiseshell frame. They're about $6.95. So if you go to that area of like lowest prices to high prices, I'm sure you're gonna find my exact same frames. Finally dressed, put on a little deodorant and perfume. I'm using the Miu Miu perfume. I think this is Mutane. I'm honestly not too sure. I already have my sweatpants on, so I'm just gonna throw my sweatshirt over. And I got this two-piece set from Walmart if you guys want it. It is the No Boundaries line, which is like one of my favorite clothing lines from Walmart. And then for our cover-up shoes, we're just throwing on the Crocs.
Okay.
I just got done doing my hair. I did a quick little like half a puff down bun moment. I don't even know if it looks good in the back, but I honestly really don't care. I'm doing pretty good on time. It's only 9:33, which honestly, thank God for filming, because I don't think I would be this on schedule if it wasn't for you guys. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for that tonight. I have my HelloFresh back here and I cannot wait to come home and decide what meal I want to make for dinner tonight. I absolutely love these little Propel electrolyte mixes. This is the kiwi and strawberry flavor. I always add these to my water. If you're not a big person on like the flavor of water, even though it doesn't really have a flavor, definitely try these electrolyte packs. I just love them because they have really good electrolytes. God, it's so good. Welcome to Mid-Shift Rant. I won't say too much because I don't want to get in trouble, but I just had one of the worst tables that I've had in a minute. Really frustrating to take care of. They left the biggest mess, and you know it's bad whenever my other table that came in was upset for me. They were like, that's just ridiculous. Like, that's what we're over here talking at our table about, is how bad that is. And I was like, I know. Like, so if I seem pissed off or irritated, I promise it's not because of you guys. I'm just irritated with this mess this table left. And on top of that, guys, they only tipped me $2. $2 on like a $70 tab.
What? What?
Ready, let's head home. I'm so excited for dinner. Time for dinner, and I couldn't be more happier because I actually got my HelloFresh box this time. So it's gonna make cooking dinner tonight so much easier for me. I got 3 meals this week. Let me show you guys which ones I got. I got the roasted pepper and mozzarella cavatappi bake. That one honestly looks really good. I think this might be the move for tonight. I also got the creamy Dijon dill chicken with roasted potatoes and green beans. Lastly, I got the steak with Parmesan chive sauce plus crispy truffle smashed potatoes and roasted green beans. It's been a real struggle for me recently to go to the grocery store, even have time, while I'm also balancing 3 jobs. So I have a pretty hectic work life. So it leaves me a lot less time to focus on meals and being creative with them. And that is exactly why I love doing HelloFresh, because it gives me the opportunity to try new things. I also am able to customize my meals, so I can swap my proteins, swap my veggies, cook them however I like. They're kind of interchangeable. I also love the portion sizes because, one, I am fulfilled. I usually have leftovers. I'm still eating pretty healthy without having to sacrifice any sort of flavor. Especially on my busy days like this, where I'm coming home from work pretty late and all I want to do is just shower and get in bed. But I still have to fuel my body. I really love my HelloFresh meals because they come in handy. I generally love how everything is portioned out, so I don't even have to worry about measuring. It takes, honestly, minimal thinking, and if you don't know how to cook, this is definitely a good way to start learning. If you want to take advantage of using HelloFresh, then you guys can use my code SavWayHF at HelloFresh.com for 10 free meals plus a free breakfast for life. That's 1 free meal per box with an active subscription. Free meals applied at discount on your first box. New or returning subscribers only. It'll vary by plan. Time to finally have some dinner. It turned out so amazing. Of course, we gotta try it out so that way if you guys decide to get this meal, you know it's good. I have my little chive and Parmesan sauce. I'm gonna dip my steak. Wow. The sauce is so freaking good. Would definitely rate this meal a 10 out of 10 and would totally get it again. If you guys would like to sign up for HelloFresh and be able to get this amazing meal, use my code SavWayHF to secure a free breakfast for lifetime, and also you can hit the link in my description box down below. I really did my big one. Well, actually HelloFresh did their big one.
A few moments later.
Well, I cleared my plate, so I think that says enough about this meal specifically. 10 out of 10. Definitely get this when you order your meals. Got some dishes to do before I can go to sleep peacefully, so I'm about to knock these out. So that way I can get some rest. Back to where we started off the video. I literally couldn't be happier. Put on some chapstick and then this girly is headed right off to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to check out my description box if you guys would like to try out HelloFresh and use my code SavWayHF, or just use the link in my description box. Good night, sleep tight.